Today I'm going to be reviewing this light from METWET. I've worked with them for a while. I thank them for sending me another light to review. Full disclosure, they did send this to me, but I always review things open and honestly. Comes with this installation guide right here with all the hardware inside. You have your wire nuts, your screws, etc., and installation guide. Oh, so that's nice. So this is a replacement crystal, which is a big help because you can see in here has all these little crystals on the side, and if you break one of those, it would probably be hard to source and would make your light not look great. And this is very well packaged, so it's hard to get out, which is a good thing because it comes perfectly wrapped. You can see it also comes wrapped in plastic here. And they can put off this nice prism. So I think this light would be best to put somewhere where you get a lot of sunlight because it's going to reflect off of it, make this nice prism shape. Of course, an extra little one right here would be nice touch. You can see how they're mounted in there. They just have these little like pigtails. Kind of interesting. Nice black finish, very well done, very sturdy, and I think it looks great. You can see it's about this big. This will actually be an easier light to install than normal because it has this mount that comes down from the wall. So you can just hook this up. See, it has the top plate right here, and then it has these rings right here. So you can adjust these screws up here to make sure that you have the right amount of depth so they stay nice and snug, and they're decorative so they hide all of the threads. And then it has this light right here that comes down. This all threads into here, so you can mount this top plate and then just put, you know, this wiring, and then you're gonna have to put this through here. So you can get it mostly wired up without having to put, because this is fairly heavy. So you probably don't want to have someone hold this or something while you wire everything up. But just being able to put the plate and everything up separately somewhat, and get it wired is going to be helpful so it's not so heavy to put up. In the instruction sheet, it also comes with these little wires and this tool, which is how you install the little crystals if you have to break, if one of them breaks or gets damaged and you need to install the replacement one. It even comes with replacement hardware and an install tool. I just installed this light, and I was debating on putting it in the kitchen, which gets lots of natural light, which I thought would be nice with the prisms, but I ended up putting it in this guest bathroom we have, which is small, because it just bathroom kind of isn't great. So I thought it would brighten it up, give it some character, and yeah, you can see it's a, you know, small bathroom, and I thought it would look good in here, and I think it does. You can see a little bit of light, you can see is bouncing off of it right there. That's actually from my light on my camera is reflecting off of it. So you can see with light how this could be really cool and get some prisms going. So probably better in somewhere with a bit more natural light, you know, because you're going to get all this kind of cool effect on here. It hangs down well. It's easy to install. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to give it some of the effect, which is what I like. See how it casts this cool light here? I'm turning it off to describe it because this also has a fan hooked up to the same switch, so it's not great for audio wise. But the reason why I put it in this bathroom was because it's such a small, kind of dull space. I thought this light would give it some little bit of character, especially when you turn the light on like this. See how that just brightens up the whole kind of room, putting these prisms everywhere. Makes it seem a lot bigger overall and gives it this small space some character. Really impressed with this light. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.